Hey friends, if you wish to fix no Wi-Fi code 10 error on Intel Wireless AC9560, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, when I encounter this problem, my first approach is to search for Device Manager and open Device Manager. Expand the list of network adapters. Find the current media adapter, right click on it and select Update Drivers because this standard has been upgraded. The next one is to right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab, scroll down, select troubleshoot. After selecting troubleshoot, you can select other troubleshooters and then you can click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. It will troubleshoot for it, mentioning the specific Wi-Fi standard and fix the problem. And lastly, obviously, you can go to the network and internet tab, scroll down, select advanced network settings, and then select network reset, and then select reset now, and finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.